Amtrak 91.
I hear it.
Oh my, bro, you see the charger? Yippee! There is, guys. We have a charger leading. Let's go! Hey, get ready, let's go! Go, go, go! I hope he sees us!
It should be
Yes,
going.
sir.
It should be going.
Is he moving?
Oh, there he goes.
Hey, he's moving, everyone! There he goes, off to Orlando, Florida, an hour and 15 minutes late. You think he'll see us?
Maybe.
Look at the leader! Look, guys, 2 chargers! Thank you. There, guys! Look, the chargers! Wow! Here's the Look, guys! Wow! Bye, guys. Bye! That was it. Going to Orlando. Please, guys.
Wow.
It's long, isn't it? Bye-bye. Well,
There you go.